Hey freshmen, I'm Nafisa and I'm going to be telling you all about high school. I just want to let you guys know that as you begin high school, you should be excited because I promise it's going to be filled with so much excitement, fun, surprises, and lots of growth. You are going to learn so much throughout high school, and I do not just mean the material you're learning in your classes. I mean, high school is going to be a huge turning point in your life. It's going to be a huge life lesson. There are going to be ups and downs, but they will shape you into the person you are meant to be for your future. In high school, so many things can change for you, from your friend group to what you want to do for your future after high school, and just know that that's okay. And you are going to meet so many new people, and whatever might be on your mind right now, such as grades or friend drama, boyfriend drama, whatever it may be, just know that in a year or so you're probably not even going to remember it, and even if you do, it's most probably not even going to matter by that point. As a student who is done with high school, I can definitely say that these 4 years are four very important years of your life. In the moment, it might feel like a very long ride, but you're gonna look back and it's gonna feel like it flew by, and you're gonna walk out as a different version of yourself. And I have a list of a few things that I wish someone had told me at the beginning of high school. Make sure to not take every little thing to heart and spend time with your family and friends and teachers and, your new friends, your old friends that you've known your whole life, because once you leave high school, you're going to be starting a whole entire new and different journey. In 4 years, you're not going to get all the things that you have right now. So cherish the moments right in front of you and make sure to spend your energy on things that matter to you and the things that will make you better. So that's my take on high school. That's my advice for you on high school. I wish you all the best of luck in these next 4 years. You're gonna have so much fun. You're gonna struggle a lot, but you're gonna push through. These are gonna be a great 4 years. Have a positive mindset. I believe in all of you guys. Be excited for what's coming next. Good luck, freshmen, and blast it.